today getting my usual fix at Osteocare, Bansa Village. Of course, right after shoots or any overseas traveling, work trip, I always drop by here to just tune in, getting everything back in line so that I can perform better on TV and also perform better during spots. So right now, Eric is just trying to help me with my knees because I have some iffy knees. Already set my shoulder, my back is done, so just these two.
Okay, check that out. This one is good. Try this one. Not bad.
Not that right? It's not
It's
Yeah.
tense up muscles.
I can feel the electric to my tongue. Yeah, all the way.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So what happened here is that I've been doing a lot of jumping lately. So I feel that little bit of muscle soreness. So this is absolutely great. And if you're wondering about the patch, this is basically a traditional recipe from the family, and this is natural herbs to help with soreness. And if you have any retak or anything, you can always use this as well. Is that right?
This is the one.
Yeah. Let me get closer.
That's a small one. This one. Oh. Two. Not sure about this one.
Yeah. Better?
Yes. It's stubborn.
Yeah, this one I know.
It's stubborn.
It's a very old injury.
Yes.
Yay!
There's a small click pop sound.
Yeah, earlier.
This one.
Okay, my my left leg is very iffy because Saturday when I had a shoot, I stumbled. So I sprained my ankle. I didn't manage to go see Eric on time, so I left it quite some time. I think I went to see him about 3 months later, and obviously the injury got worse. So every time I got here, he has to always refix that again. So if you fall, make sure you come here and get it fixed, okay? Don't wait, don't wait. Okay.
Stand up, right?
Stand.
I want to fix the chin line, the upper neck.
Right here, like this, cross.
Just do that.
Oh, there you go.
Much better.
There's a more on the upper thoracic.
Yeah.
The ladies
I
do
can
on the
definitely
left.
feel it.
Yeah.
Thank
The
you.
I'll put you on the hips, eh?
Yeah, off first.
Thank you.